This lab is called Tabletop Salt Flats. In your kit, you're going to find sort of a reddish crystalline rock. It's a sedimentary rock, and it's halite. If you lick it, you'll definitely figure out that it is rock salt. The reason that this rock was formed was a body of ocean water got trapped during the Cretaceous period when the ocean was receding, and because it was trapped, it just sat there in the sun. The water evaporated, and the salt deposit was formed as the water left. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a similar situation. You have a tart pan and a popsicle stick. You have a mixing cup, a little bit of ordinary table salt, and some water. What you're going to do is you're going to pour the salt into the cup. You're going to add water to the salt, obviously. You're going to make your own seawater here. You stir it up. It'll help if you have warm water. The warmer the water, the more salt you'll be able to dissolve into it, and the bigger and the prettier your crystals will be. When the Cretaceous oceans invaded North America, they would flood all the way up to Canada. They'd hang out for a while, and then they would recede. And occasionally, like I said, pockets of salt water got trapped in there in enclosed basins, and so they just sat there and sat there. Over time, the water would evaporate, and the crystals would form this rock right here.